How to add song to Instagram post after posting it. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Here we go. You'll land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Head towards the profile option given at the bottom right corner. Once you land to the profile page, now over here you're gonna find all of your posts. Now head towards the post in which you want to add the song. Just open it. Now at the top right of the post, you'll find three dots. Click on it. Different options will appear. Click on the option of edit. You are able to tag people, likewise add a caption, add location, but you won't find the option to add a song. Unfortunately, at the moment there is no such option within Instagram to add a song after posting it. So what you can do is re-upload the post. For that, you can click on this plus icon. Your gallery will open up. Now you can select the post. Click on next. Now over here you will find this music icon at the top right corner. Now select the music of your choice. After you select the music, click on done. Now you can click on next and upload it. In the case you don't want to re-upload the post, what you can do is share this post to your story along with the music. For that, you have to click on this share icon. Now click on this option of add to story. Now at the top you will see this music icon, click on it. Now over here you're going to find different music options. Go ahead and select the music that you want to add in your post. Once you are done, click on done. With that, you have just added this song to your Instagram post. Now you can share this post to your story. Well, at the moment, these are the ways to add song to your Instagram post after posting it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.